Winter can be a magical time, but let's be honest, battling the cold can be a real drag. Shivering hands, numb toes, no thanks. But what if you could conquer the cold and enjoy the outdoors in comfort? Enter the HART 20-volt heated jacket kit. This kit comes with everything you need. The jacket itself, a 1.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, a portable power source, a charger, and of course, the instruction manual. The jacket is available in both black and Realtree camo, so you can choose the style that suits you best. Now, let's talk about the tech. This jacket features 3 strategically placed heating zones: left chest, right chest, and mid-back. This targeted approach ensures you stay warm where it matters most. And get this, it uses carbon fiber heating technology for even heat distribution. No more cold spots. The heat settings are easy to adjust, so you can dial in the perfect temperature for whatever you're doing. Plus, the battery life is impressive. You go for a full day of outdoor activities without any issues. One of the coolest things about this kit is the portable power source. Not only does it power the jacket, but it also has a USB port, so you can charge your phone while you stay warm. Talk about convenience. This jacket is built to last. It's wind and water resistant, so you're protected from the elements. It's also easy to clean. Overall, we're incredibly impressed with the HART 20-volt heated jacket kit. It delivers on its promises of warmth, comfort, and durability. If you're looking for a reliable way to stay warm this winter, we highly recommend checking this out. So, there you have it. The HART 20-volt heated jacket kit, a game changer for anyone who loves spending time outdoors in the winter. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information and to grab one for yourself.